Om Swastiastu! Hello, welcome to my kitchen. So today I'm going to share one of the very popular vegetable dish in Bali called plecing kangkung. This is morning glory or water spinach mixed with the spicy chili sambal. So let's get started. So here are all the ingredients I'm going to use later. Fresh morning glory or water spinach, and for the spicy chili sambal I'm using big red chili, shallot, garlic, tomatoes, Bali hot pepper, kaffir lime fruit, coconut oil, palm sugar, shrimp paste, salt and mushroom boyong powder. So let's make it. First I'm going to grill the chilies, shallot, garlic and tomatoes. Follow me. Let's grill the chilies, garlic, shallot and tomatoes. I already prepared the grill earlier. I'm using coconut husks. I think I better just use my hand. The smoke flavor later is really add a unique flavor to the sambal. So it's ready. Let's back to the kitchen. So I will cool it down a little bit the chilies, and then later I'm going to remove a little bit the burnt skin like this. Let's put it aside. Next, let's prepare the morning glory. Here is how I cut my morning glory. So it's very easy. Just slice it like this. Or the other things you can do, you cut it like this and then divide it to two. Then cut into small pieces. Here we go. So now let's wash it. I wash it twice or 3 times. So the morning glory been washed, and now I'm going to prepare the water because we're going to blanch the morning glory. While we're waiting the water, so let's grind the sambal. First I'm going to remove the black skin. So just use your finger. Now let's cut it into small pieces. So I didn't cut the Bali hot pepper because they're quite soft. Let's put it aside. And now the water is boiling. Let's add a pinch of salt. And I'm going to blanch the Morning Glory until it's soft enough to eat. Let's turn it over. Look at the color, very pretty green. So now it's cooked. So let's cool it down a little bit. And now let's grind the chilies, garlic, shallot, and tomatoes. Now add the shrimp paste, salt, mushroom boyong powder, and palm sugar. Mix well. And now let's heat it up, the coconut oil. Pouring into the sambal. Mix well. Smells so good. Let's put it in a bowl. Everything is prepared. Now let's mix the Morning Glories with sambal. First, I'm going to cut the kaffir lime fruit. In a bowl, add some Morning Glory. Some sambal, as much as you wish, and a pinch of kaffir lime fruit juice. Mix well. So yummy. Let's plate it. Add some peanut, roasted peanuts, and fried shallot. And a slice of kaffir lime fruit as a garnish. So here we are, Plecing Kangkung. Thank you very much for watching. Please let me know how your food tastes. And also I'm opening my cooking class in Bali. Come and join with me on your next visit to my island home. And we can cook authentic Balinese recipes together. For more information, kindly contact me via my email novibalikitchen@gmail.com. I also write it down my email in the description below. And I hope you enjoy the video. Matur suksema. Bye-bye.